Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. A comprehensive guide to selectorshub, the must-try auto XPath generator. Selectorshub is a popular browser extension designed to simplify the process of generating XPath and CSS selectors for web elements. It offers an intuitive interface that automatically generates selectors, making it easier for developers and testers to interact with web applications. Here's an informative guide on how to use selectorshub effectively. Key features of selectorshub. 1. Auto XPath generation, automatically generates XPath for any selected web element. 2. CSS selector generation, provides CSS selectors as an alternative to XPath. 3. Multiple selector options, offers various methods for generating selectors, including relative and absolute XPath. 4. Customizable, allows users to modify generated selectors to fit their needs. 5. Support for Shadow DOM, can handle elements within Shadow DOM. 6. Easy integration, works seamlessly with Selenium, Cypress, and other testing frameworks. Getting started with selectorshub. Installation. 1. For Chrome. Go to the Chrome Web Store, https://chrome.google.com/webstore/category/extensions. Search for selectorshub and click Add to Chrome. 2. For Firefox. Visit the Firefox add-ons, https://addons.mozilla.org/n-us/firefox/extensions, page. Search for selectorshub and click Add to Firefox. Using selectorshub. 1. Open DevTools, right-click on any web page and select Inspect or press F12 to open the developer tools. 2. Select the element, use the Element Selector tool in DevTools to hover over and select the desired element. 3. Open selectorshub, find the selectorshub icon in the DevTools panel, usually on the right side, and click on it. 4. Generate selectors, once selectorshub is open, you will see the generated XPath and CSS selectors for the selected element. Example, generating XPath and CSS selectors. Let's consider a simple example where we want to generate selectors for a login button on a hypothetical web page. HTML structure. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Title login page /title /head body div id equals login h1 login /h1 input type equals text id equals username placeholder equals username input type equals password id equals password placeholder equals password button id equals login button login /button /div /body /html. Using selectorshub. 1. Select the login button. Using the element selector in DevTools, click on the login button. 2. View selectors. In selectorshub, you will see the following selectors generated for the button: XPath, SPath, / button at ID equals login button, CSS selector, CSS, login button. Integrating with Selenium. Here's how you would use the generated XPath or CSS selector in a Selenium test script, in Python. Setup. Make sure you have the required libraries installed. Bash. Pip install Selenium. Sample Selenium Python script. Python. From Selenium import WebDriver. From selenium.webdriver.common.by import by. From selenium.webdriver.com and .keys import keys. Set up the driver, make sure to download the appropriate web driver. Driver equals webdriver.chrome, or webdriver.firefox, for Firefox. Open the login page. Driver.get, file :/path/to/your/login_page.html, update with your file path. Find the username and password input fields. Username_field equals driver.find_element, by.xpath, // input at id equals username. Password_field equals driver.find_element, by.xpath, // input at id equals password. Input credentials. Username_field.send_keys, your _username. Password_field.send_keys, your _password. Find and click the login button using the XPath. Login_button equals driver.find_element, by.xpath, // button at id equals login button. Login_button.click. Close the driver. Driver.quit. Conclusion. SelectorShub is an invaluable tool for web developers and testers, allowing them to quickly generate reliable selectors for their automated tests. Its user-friendly interface and support for both XPath and CSS selectors make it a must-try tool for anyone working with web applications. With the ability to integrate into testing frameworks like Selenium, it streamlines the process of automating web interactions. Additional resources. SelectorShub official documentation, https://selectorshub.com. Selenium documentation, https://www.selenium.dev/documentation/n. XPath tutorial, https://www.w3schools.com/xml/xpath_intro.asp. By using SelectorShub, you can enhance your efficiency in developing and testing web applications. Happy testing!